now let's take you on over to Trinidad for this week's Caribbean video. Here's Nation of Love by Pree Dis, the second place winner of the 2016 Soca Monarch competition.
If I try and tell you, you might not believe me. Every time I on the road, it feels like I'm dreaming. That sensual sound does ring up my ear bells. And you could tell, look and you could tell, because no matter the obstacle, we keep it moving along. Keeping feet to the heartbeat of the pulsing sound that it jump. When we stand together, that is when we are strong. Tell everyone, we moving as a nation of love. Under the sun, every shifting ways, bound to find a place embedded in within. So when we congregate, the sign is clear as dawn. We moving as a nation of love, a nation of love, a nation of love, a nation of love. We move as a nation of love, a nation of love, a nation of love, a nation of love.
Veteran singer Barrington Levy is the subject in this week's Ray Proud Jamaican Spirit feature. Listen up.
Jamaican singer Barrington Levy's career began in the late 1970s. He started out as a member of the duo called the Mighty Multitudes and then went solo in 1978. He began working with producer Henry Junja Laws and quickly established a presence in the Jamaican dancehall. Songs like Shine Eye Girl, Collie Weed, Looking My Love, and Never Tear My Love Apart made Barrington Levy a household name. With the release of the album Robin Hood in 1981, Barrington gained international success in the United Kingdom. Under Me Sensi,
Under me sense, me under me sense. Under me sense, me under me sense. Under me sense, me under me sense. Under me sense.
Black Roses, My Woman,
My woman, she is a problem. My woman, she is a problem.
Money Move, and the UK charting single Here I Come made Levy a hot shot in reggae circles internationally. Here I Come reached number 41 on the British pop chart in 1985.
I'm broad, I'm broad, I'm broader than Broadway. Yes, I'm broad, I'm broad, I'm broader than Broadway.
In the early 1990s, he scored big with two covers of Bob Andy's songs, namely My Time and Too Experienced. He was later signed by Island Records and released the album Divine. He returned to the UK pop chart in 1991 when Rebel MC and Tenor Fly teamed up with him on the single Tribal Bass, which reached number 20. Barrington tried to score success in the US with the album Barrington, which was released in 1993 by MCA Records. A single Vice Versa got significant airplay but failed to chart.
One vice versa left to all the hungry. Vice versa left, come on and get some.
In 1996, he teamed up with Bounty Killer on the #1 single Living Dangerously.
Living dangerously.
Woman, you're living too dangerous for me.
You're living dangerously.
Is it me, Barrington Levy?
You're living dangerously.
He later scored another #1 single when he collaborated with the DJ Jigsy King on the hit Work. In the year 2000, Barrington Levy shone bright when he teamed up with New York recording artist Shine on the single Bad Boys, which made the Billboard charts.
What type of the streets? Bad boy. What type of play in the trunk for weeks? Bad boy. What type of letting me cool? Bad boy. Aiming for the sky. Bad boy.
Barrington Levy's music has been sampled by a number of acts, including the Black Eyed Peas. His most recent album, Acoustica Levy, was released in 2015. It was nominated for a Grammy Award for Best Reggae Album. We are indeed proud to salute singer Barrington Levy and highlight his career achievements as our Ray Proud Jamaican Spirit. Ray Proud Jamaican Spirit.
Like Philly Bird, the love they come down. Oh,
but no give up on me. One more chance, don't show it all away. Goddamn boy, that's why everybody at the champion boy. Have a rich gal in the Hamptons boy. The bush never made in the champion boy. Now man, I don't a songsters boy.
Annabella Punchinella, me no fella. What can you do, Punchinella, me no fella? She a do it too, Punchinella, me no fella. Can you with the Mars, Capella, the body.
Looking so fine, me now waste time and you me come for. You mix up the fast with the slow.
For the champion jockey, champion jockey, champion jockey. She no want
cause man see them true colors. Yeah, that's why we lose never. Yeah.
Boy, let me tell you about real mad dog. Anywhere me go, me carry 3 bad dog. Looking at me and me never mean hot dog. Iron furnace, so the steel hot dog. Say you this cause you go feel
me now, where them treat me less than gold. Put me in a box like a rectangle. Oh, oh, look at me now, oh, look at me now, oh, look at me now.
Start it and them a run help you one call. Roberto Carlos hardball. Make the sex so we don't worry your Cornwall. Boy skin good and tougher than all wall. When me cell phone the rich, 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 real rich, 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 so rich, 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 real rich, 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 rich. Tell them my name. Left from Twitter, I'm a Ghana Insta. Couple more years, me the Prime Minister. You don't know what Tanto, ask your sister.
And that's how we pull the curtains down on another episode of Pree Dis. I'm your host, Michaela Leana, but be sure to follow us on all social media at Pree Dis Show and like our Facebook page. Until next time, see you soon.
But I can't forget his eternal to the truth. And what his friends did and do the tough thing too. Howling at the name of suppressing the truth. But I absolutely them can't pollute. In a this gunman world. Psychic!